When in Tagbilaran City, visit BOHOL Tropics Resort. This 3-star BOHOL Tropics Resort is set 15 minutes on foot from Cogon, featuring 112 rooms with views of the sea. This resort is set within a short ride from Bohol National Museum. Tagbilaran City is reachable within 15 minutes from Bohol Tropics Resort. The place is very near Bohol National Museum, Cogon, as well as Catholic Church Cathedral, San Jose. The closest landmarks to Bohol Tropics Resort, Tagbilaran City are Bohol Institute of Technology, Our Lady of Lourdes Parish Church, and Tagbilaran Wharf. Bohol Tropics Resort is a household name in Bohol. The resort faces Panglao Island. If you have to stay near the city but still want to escape in a small enclave of peace, this resort with its landscape garden is probably your best bet. The place has 3 swimming pools, own disco and ballroom. It is owned by Tagbilaran former Mayor Baba Yap and now Tagbilaran Mayor Jane Cajes Yap.